Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I would like to teach you how to register a domain with name.com. A domain is the name that your website can be reached out to. For example, Facebook or google.com, for example, is the domain for Google and it takes you to Google. The same way as facebook.com is, it takes you to Facebook because it's the name for the Facebook. Now, let's take you to name.com. Name.com is where we're going to register the domain. So in this case, we are trying to say you have a business. For example, let's say Flower Boys is a business that delivers flowers to households. So you want to have a website and you want to have a domain by the name flowerboy.com. So what you do is you head over to name.com in your browser, like I did, and then here on this input field it says search domain names. So here we can just say flowerboys.com because that's the name of our business. And I must admit, coming up with a domain name is very difficult because chances are very high that that domain will already be taken by someone else. So you must be patient. Flowerboys.com and hit search. It will search in the dictionary. Whoa, flowerboys.com is available, but it's going on for $10,000. Now, if you have the money and you can afford it, you can buy it for $10,000. That's a year rate, but after the first year, you're going to be renewing it at $15. You can see here. So this just means that someone purchased it probably at $15, and then now they're just holding it to resell it. So we call that packing a domain. But if you don't have money, then you can try playing around the domain. So for example, in this case, I can write flowerboys.com with an I to see. Ooh, I have flowerboys.shop going on at $29. And below here, it can keep on going, give me other suggestions. But for me, flowerboys.shop is okay. But anyway, let's say that's failing and we can keep on trying. In this case, we're just going to use my business name. Let's say my name, jacobmzia.com. So I know that's available because I've just made it available like a few weeks ago. So yep, let's just wait for it to load. This is probably my internet slowing up a bit. All right, that should be my internet. Let's just go back to the home page. So here, all right, jacobmzia.com. Hit search. And voila, you have $9 on sale. So you can go, the moment you're satisfied with the domain name, you can go over to checkout. It will load that and it will give you this as a suggested add-on. You can remove it if you don't like that, or you can keep it, but it's best to keep it because it hides who you are on the internet, like your personal email, phone number. This is just to make sure that you're safe from the spams, because if many people know your phone number or your emails, they can keep on contacting you for maybe sales, things you don't like. So if you're satisfied here, that's the amount, you head over to login. Now, if you don't have an account, you hit here, create a new account. It'll ask you for your name, password, and everything. In my case, I have an account, so I'll head over to login. And when the login is successful, it will head over to checkout and purchase that domain for me. So that's pretty much it when you're purchasing a domain. This is just one way of purchasing a domain using name.com. You can purchase a domain using AWS. Oh God. Anyway, at least you've gotten what I wanted to show you. So you can purchase a domain using AWS, using Namecheap, using digital. There are a lot of platforms that you can do. So if you want, you can just play around many of them to see what the offerings are. But myself, I prefer name.com. It's nice, fast, and the user interface itself, when it comes to managing the domain, is very well. So, alright guys, that's it I had for you. I hope this helped a lot. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to link the domain to your website. Until then, see you.